Hello everyone. For today's video, this parcel is where Dana box and let's do a series of review to this item and join me guys as we reveal what's inside. This is Passion Satin Fitted Matters covered with elastic band bedsheet for our bed. This is my first bedsheet and it was not a disappointment at all because it was pretty good and I see the good quality on it. I think I will feel comfortable in this because it was so super comfy. I love the self texture. I chose black because it's a self-modern, satin resistant and a grounding calming effect that can promote relaxation and better sleep. Besides its look, sophisticated and a practical choice of color for a busy household. I like in this item is that look so classic that never goes out of style, making it a timeless choice for my bedding. And the pattern on it allowing for easy coordination with other bedroom accessories and home decor and can be easier to maintain as it never showed dirt as easily as lighter shades. It's beneficial to choose this kind of matter, especially for those who prepare a warmer sleep. For sure, it will also create a peaceful atmosphere, making it easier to disconnect from the day's events and relax before sleep. I'm so amazed with this, so satisfying. I'm glad I found this on AliExpress. I never regret every time I purchase any product on AliExpress beside of thousands of items to explore or product is so affordable. That's why I save a lot in every order I make. And this item is so recommendable from its quality to its price. So budget friendly, easy to care overall. It's so worth it. The best thing on the bedsheet because it's known for their smooth, silky texture that rejoices friction which can help minimize wrinkles, prevent hair breakage and reduce skin irritation, especially for those with sensitive skin. Additionally, this bedsheet cover is non-absorbent nature, means it does not strip your skin of its natural moisture. This is so awesome, guys, and great. I feel nice and cool when you get into bed. Some satin depends on quality, but this one is great. So I would recommend it. This to all of you guys if you feel that this one will be perfect for you. Also, you better check this one. AliExpress now. Thanks for watching everyone.